channel. If you have never been here before, hi, my name is Summer, and if you've been here, welcome back. Right now I'm on a walk with my dog right after work, and I'm going to show y'all some of the stuff that's going on with the house right now, and we'll get right into it. Here's my dog. She's loving the walks. Okay, so today is May 30th, 2023, and we got our front door in. It looks amazing. It's exactly the way I wanted it. So I love these little windows up here. So it's not a lot of windows, which is what I like. I think this is what you'll see from the inside or the outside. I'm not really sure. This is the other side of the door. So they just came in this morning, and I was talking to my husband, and I thought, what is that? And sure enough, it was our doors. Yay! So the most exciting part is that I'll be able to open the doors when people first come and be like, welcome to my home. I'm so silly. That's so exciting. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, today is June 1st, and we got our back door. And then it'll go right here. We're gonna have a huge back door. It's gonna be really nice. Also on June 1st, we got our bathtub for our guest bathroom. So this is 6/19/2023. They just got the roof done and the siding painted. For the siding, we were deciding on whether, which color we were gonna do. And we went with this one from Sherwin-Williams, I think. And it is called Sealskin. So there's that trim right there. And then the siding of the house painted. It's very pretty. I really love the color of it. It's really nice. And then there's the roof. All the roof is done. They also painted the back porch the same color too. That seal skin color. And here's the back of the house, so you can see the roof. It's really nice. They did a great job. They also did the fireplace. It looks great. They also did like the AC, plumbing, electric, and the ACs way over there. So yeah, as you can see, all these blue boxes are all the plugs and the light switches. So all of this is just that rough end plumbing. It's not the full plumbing yet. That's for the laundry room right there. And there's more plumbing. This is the master bathroom. This is where those two sinks are gonna go. And then the cabinets. And there's gonna be plugs inside the cabinets. So that's gonna be really cool. My husband thought of that. I would have never thought of that. And then they ran the plumbing for the shower right here. And it is really hot in Texas today. I just got off work, so I'm looking kind of rough, but that's what's going on right now. Like I said, it's 6/19/2023, so this is what we've got done right now, and I'm so excited to see what's next. So I just got off work. Today is July 3rd, 2023, and I just got home off of work, and I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what they've done right now. They added a little bit more things, but I'll show you the previous stuff that they did, and then the stuff that they did today, and some of the stuff that my husband's doing to the house. So here we go. So this is for the dishwasher right here. And And then this is the water, the sink. And then this is the gas to the stove. Running right up there. And then there's our AC. You got all those wires running through there. Now we've got all of our plugs in. We added a bunch of plugs all over the house because it's really important because we've got a lot of electronics and stuff. So my husband is doing a lot of blocking in the house right here. So it's gonna add a lot of stability, like when we want to hang up things. Like this is the office, for example, so we'll be able to hang up our computer screens or any electronics that we want, shelving and stuff, so that's gonna be really nice. And then also he's probably gonna do some blocking up here too, because we have a lot of like anime figurines and like collectibles and stuff that we could put up here. So this is another part of the blocking that he did. So this is for one of the bedrooms. And then here's some more blocking again where the TV would go in the other guest room. And then also, that's the water heater piping through the guest room. Through there. And then here's some more blocking for like the TV and maybe a mount or something above the fireplace. He's working on it right now. Say hi, Tate. He's a man of very few words, at least when he's working. And then here's some more blocking. This is probably where the TV will go for our bedroom, and then the plugs are right under. So, perfect. And this is the piping for the water in the bathroom. So that's one of the sinks. And this is the other sink right here. And then this is the water pipes for the bathtub. And then this is for the shower. It's all running up there. This is kind of random, but this wire right here is for some speakers that we'll eventually put into the ceiling. We're gonna have a really nice sound system by the fireplace. And we've got the wiring done for that, but that's also in for the future when we're ready to put the ceiling ones in. So I don't know if there's anything else that they have to do for the house to move on to insulation. So hopefully that's the next step that we're gonna be on, unless I'm missing something. Unless they're doing more water stuff or propane and stuff like that. So hopefully the rough end is done and then we'll be on to insulation. So right now we're on our way to go eat for 4th of July and go see some fireworks. And I just wanted to give a little update on our house and what's going on. So the drywall people came out today and they said that they were doing the drywall on the 17th. So that means our insulation will be coming in pretty soon, probably in the next few weeks, maybe this week or next week. And then we'll have the drywall. We just watched the fireworks show and it was so pretty.
It was awesome.
So that's the end of the vlog, y'all. We're on our way home and we'll see you next time. Bye.